Alright, hi guys, Almanzo here. You can tell because I'm wearing the machinist garb. So I figured shits and giggles. I know Sean has a new lathe. Kyle, he'll laugh at all this stuff, but hey, he's a professional. I'm not. Anyhow, yeah, part of the reason I said buy as large of a machine as you can afford is things like this. The standard 3-jaw chuck, even with the outside grabbing teeth, was not large enough to grab the OD of this gear to be able to machine this face down. So I had to break out the big boy. Okay. Yep. Kyle is now laughing, saying he thinks that's big. Anyhow, big for the home shop. Anyhow, yeah. It's not just the tool, man. It's all of the bullshit accessories you got to buy. You know. Yeah, that's what can really end up costing you. So anyhow, how did I chuck this in here? These things are notoriously a pain in the ass. Again, Kyle is laughing, saying, oh, I do that in my sleep, but to adjust these things in. But for this particular operation, this doesn't have to be 100% concentric. I'm just facing this off. I'm taking this from its nominal thickness here of 1 inch. I have to take it down a 1/2 inch, and then let me grab my cheat sheet. Since I don't have a computer down here, which blows, and to say the least, I have to write this stuff down. Yeah, Ramon, this is the kind of, yep, that's what I'm working from. But yeah, so you can see, what I need to do, and that 1.32, that doesn't need to be super perfect concentric, so I'm not worried about it. So how did I get it reasonably, concentric in here? And I'll show you what I mean by reasonably concentric. Yeah, it's really it's not out by much. But how did I do that? Bearskins and stone knives, bullnose Lathe center. So I just took and move that up like that. I just took this, clamped it down, and then held that in there with the Lathe center, and then I was able to go around. Lathe center here. See if I can snug that up a little bit so it rotates. There we go. Now, yep, see, just like that. Yep, that's how I did that, and it works out well enough. So I'm going to go ahead and machine this. What I'm going to do, again, Sean, the way and Kyle maybe will laugh and say it's the wrong way to do it. But instead of running my tool in and then going down and then in and then down, what I'm going to do, I think the proper way to do it and the quickest way to do it is I'm just going to go in some and then run this carriage with this hand wheel. So I know I have to remove a 1/2 inch worth of material, which is going to be just shy of the bottom of this hole. So I'm just going to run it down like that. I got a clamp here with a physical stop so it doesn't go too far, of course. And I'll just keep doing that. I'll go like that, and then I'll bring this in, bring the tooling in a little bit, remove some more, and keep doing that till I've removed that entire bulk of material there. And that is quite a bit of material for this machine, but I'll get her done. I'll just show you I'm progressing through here. You can see the set screws here protruding, so when I get near the end of the cut, you'll hear it, yep, hitting them. So yep, it's a little chattery. The machine's not as rigid as it should be for this kind of operation, and my tooling is like I mean, I bought these when Grizzly was still in business in town here. When I first got the lathe, this tooling is worn out. I need to get proper like tooling with inserts and stuff like that, and yeah, but is what it is. I do what I can do. All right, here we go. Gonna get noisy. I'm going in 30 thousandths. Let me just check. 40 thousandths. Going in 40 thousandths each pass. Never grab the bird's nest with your hands. I use chopsticks. They work great. Going in 50 thousandths now, trying to get a little bit more aggressive, cut down on the chatter a little bit. That gives you an idea of that. And I'm just going to check here. Of course, this part's hot, so it's not going to be, but 1/2 inch is my target, but I'm going to sneak up on it. See right there, I just tried to grab that bird's nest with my hand. Those bird's nests are not only hot, but they are sharp. Sharp, sharp, sharp. So, looks like right now, yeah, I'm at 600 thousandths. Because I'm really close. The jaws of my chuck here are real close to, yep, so I'm going to have to sneak up on that 1/2 inch with the setup that I've got. So I'm going to continue. So, yep, I wanted to kind of show you that. It is done. Let's see how this worked out. See if it is Terry spec. If it's not, well, it's got to be Terry spec, or I'll have that asshole bitching at me. Just gotta loosen that one too. Yay, come on, come on. There you go. Alrighty, hopefully this is zooming in here. Come on, come on, there we go. Not too teabag. Okay. So, most important thing, let's see if it's accurate. So, total width here should be a 1/2 inch. So let's see what we get here. There we go. 1/2 inch. All right, this should be 450. 450. And this should be 1.3, what is it? 1.312, I think. Let me check. I have a computer. There we go. So it should be 1.312. And it's a non-critical dimension, but 1.316. Let's check out here. There we go. Must have had it wrong. There we go. So, yep. So that's Terry spec. So I'm not going to have that asshole bitching. Yeah. I had to change, things up. I had to move the tooling and change the tooling, and yeah, it's very tight. It was a very tight space because this, this face of this, tool holder here was dangerously close to not only the gear but also the lugs on here. So it worked out. But if I would have had to have gone another 50 thousandths deep or something on here, it really wouldn't have worked out. The tooling geometry and just the tool holder and everything else would have made that almost impossible to do. But anyhow, so there we go. Yep. And like Terry had said, Ramon, yep, you can see those are the set screw things on the Martin gear. Those set screws are a bit higher, so you wouldn't have that, but it doesn't matter. I actually like these gears, so I think I'm going to pick these up. I like these better than the, or actually not Martin, or the ones I have are Tsubaki, and they are welded around here. This actually appears to be a machine piece. You can see the striations, and I can't see anything where anything was welded and then, machined afterward. So I think this is actually made from a solid chunk, which I actually like better. So, all right, there we go. That's it, guys. Helmanzo the Great, your machinist, saying bye for now. And yeah, got to now I got to make I got to make this one look like this one. Yay for me!